Hello and what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC. I'm coming back at you today with another awesome knife unboxing video. Today we're looking at the Ontario, right? I don't know why on the last video I kept calling it Ontario. I guess I'm not used to saying that word all that often, but the Ontario Knife Co. This is going to be the Wrap Model 2. All right, on the last unboxing video we looked at the Ontario Wrap Model 1. I'm going to be showing it a little bit later in the video for size comparisons, but this is the smaller brother, right? This is the smaller one of the two. Right out of the box, we're going to go ahead and crack it open here in just a second. I got some other knives for comparison as well. So right out of the box, let's see what we have. If it's anything like the other one, we have a bubble wrap pouch, and that's about it. That's all you get, right? Let's see what we got here. Nice. Yeah, just like the Wrap Model 1, the Wrap Model 2 is just the same except smaller, right? Boom, there it is, right? Nice thumb stud opening right off the bat. Like the sound, it's so solid. Let me do that a couple times. Right, and this is just perfectly out of the box, right? No, yeah, it hasn't been broken in or anything. It does have, from what I can see, some bronze washers, perhaps. That's what it's running on. So we're looking at a AUS 8 blade right there, and got the company logo. There it is, right? It's trying to find a good angle. Company logo right there on the blade. It's quite a, it takes almost the entire blade. So if you like logos on the blade, that's no issue for you. If you don't, well, this one is gonna be, yeah, taking some substantial space right there. On the other side has Taiwan, right? Because these knives are made over in Taiwan. We're looking at a black G10 handle, right? Just like the Model 1. And it does come, just like the Model 1, this Model 2 comes tip down pocket clip by default. However, you can switch it to tip up pocket clip if you want to carry it that way. That's definitely what I'm going to do. You can also do it on the other side. So if you're left-handed and you want to put the clip on the other side, the holes are there, right? I find that very convenient as well. Pocket hole right here, right? Not pocket hole, but lanyard hole. So if you're into that, that's ready to go. Right out of the box, guys, that blade is super aligned. Like, that is definitely in the middle right there. If I can get the camera to zoom a little bit, right there. Right there, you see it, right smack in the middle right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look here compared to, actually before we do that, let me quickly show you. Links will be in the description. They are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel, but that is totally up to you. The Ontario Wrap Model 2 comes in at about $35, just about the same price as the bigger brother. So it's just a matter of how big do you want the knife, so to speak. So about 35 bucks, that is not bad at all. That is not bad at all. So yeah, definitely pick this guy off of Amazon. Again, the links will be in the description for this guy if you want to check it out. That is totally up to you. It has about almost a 4.6, 4.7 star rating on average, about 2,628 reviews. That's not bad. And yeah, I mean, it actually kind of, you know, it almost hides in my whole hand, right? Unlike the Model 1, right? So let me show you, right? Let's do some quick size comparisons. Boom, here's the Wrap Model 1, right? Compared to the 2, right? Let's kind of quickly take a look at them right here on the table, right? On my hand, right? Look at that. That is quite the difference right there. And yeah, the logo is different as well, right? So the Model 1 has the Ontario Knife Co., right? The Wrap Model 2 has a different Randall's Adventure Training logo going on in the blade, right? So yeah, they both have OS 8. Check out the unboxing video on the Model 1 if you haven't already. It's gonna be here in the channel. But other than that, I mean, everything is the same. They're both linerlock. They both have this jimping right here. Both thumb stud deployment, right? Just one is bigger than the other. Same G10 scales, right? Same blade shape and everything, right? Let me show you guys what it looks like when they're both closed, right, in the hand. Well, look at that. So if I carry this guy, see how much the knife is sticking out like that, right? Check out by comparison. Right here it is on my left hand. All right, look at the difference, right? Look at that. This one is definitely a chunker for sure. Yeah, and it also feels heavy, obviously, right? So, I mean, this one is quite light, depending on your carrying preferences, right? If you're looking for a more substantial knife, you're looking for a little bit of heavier knife, the Ontario Rat 1 is gonna be the way to go. If you're looking for a more light EDC, looking for a lighter carry, right, the Rat Model 2 is definitely going to be the way to go in that case, right? Or you could just do what I did, right? I got both, right? Because I definitely, I know it's a popular knife. I'm going to be using it in the future for a lot of comparison videos, whether I'm doing a review, whether I'm doing an unboxing, right? If I'm doing a comparison, right, these are both the same company, same model, just different size, and they're very, very popular knives. I think a lot of people know them very, very well, very reliable. And I mean, for the price, come on, 35 bucks, 35 bucks. You can't really beat that. It is definitely on the budget size, and you're getting a very reliable knife for the price. So once again, let's do a quick open comparison. I do have some other guys on the table here. So again, the Rat Model 2 right here, the smaller one, the Rat Model 1. Let me see if my hand is even large enough to hold all the knives at once. We'll try. Hopefully, if we fail, then that'll be history, right? But there it is. Whoa, come on. All right, there we go. So here's the Sand Cut Crawley, also in that medium to larger knife range. The Sand Cut Crawley did an unboxing in the channel for this one as well. So check it out. Found it easier to carry it on my right hand because apparently for whatever reason they were trying to tip over on my left hand. But again, the Sand Cut Crawley is a lot closer to the Rat Model 1 that is closer to the Model 2. I want to say the Rat Model 2 is more Civivi Elementum. I'll show you that in just a second. Here is the Saxi. Again, Saxi is a little bit bigger than the Model 1, right? But it's a lot closer to the, it's a lot bigger than the Model 2. Keep getting them confused. Model 2 is the smaller one, Model 1 is the bigger one, right? The Saxi right here, this guy is a lot closer to the Model 1 than it is to the 2. I want to say the more accurate comparison here would be next to the Civivi Elementum. Take a look at that. They're almost the exact same size when folded. Another very popular knife, the Kershaw Leak, right? They're all within that size, medium to small. I want to say medium to small size, right? So the Model 2 is definitely very comparable to the very popular Civivi Elementum, the very popular Kershaw Leak. Let me open them up here so you guys can see that as well. All right, Model 2 next to the Civivi Elementum, next to the Kershaw Leak, right? You guys let me know. There it is. Again, medium to small size knife, right? Take a look right there. Quick size comparison, side by side comparison, right? You guys be the judge, right? You guys let me know in the comments, right? If you have a Model 2, if you have EDC a Model 2 in the past, let me know your experience. Give me some feedback. But yeah, you guys already know how we do it in the channel by this point. Just doing a quick unboxing, sharing some quick feedback right out of the box. I'm going to EDC this guy over the next 2 weeks or so I can give you guys a comprehensive review, right? Share all my thoughts, all the feedback I can gather after carrying this guy for about 2 weeks or so. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? right? Those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades, all right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You can fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. It is yeah, definitely a lot closer to the Rap Model 2 than it is to the Rap Model 2 than it is to the Rap Model the 1 to the 2. Blah, 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 blah.